Hard surface machine, the E1200. The E1200 is the world's #1 CSA approved hard surface portable extractor, with two-stage vac motors producing 150 inches of water lift and an adjustable 1000 psi pump with a 30 gallon per minute auto pump out. It's no wonder that the Esteam E1200 is the #1 hard surface portable extractor that all professional cleaners want. With features like auto fill and auto pump out, an external filter for catching large particles, and 50-foot autofill and discharge hose, the Esteem E1200 will clean any hard surface flooring better and more efficiently in a fraction of the time compared to using a traditional mop and bucket. The Esteem E1200 comes standard with many great features: a swivel lid for those confined areas, large 10-gallon recovery tank and freshwater tank, 1.5-inch dump valve for ease of emptying when not using the auto pump out feature, quick connects for your solution hoses, 4-inch swivel front casters, and 8-inch large non-marking rear wheels for ease of maneuverability. With a large built-in rear and 2 front mounting handles, it's easy to move your machine up and down stairs and into your vehicle. Large and easy to reach durable rocker switches. Brass connections for the autofill and discharge hoses. A pressure gauge for ease of viewing water pressure. An adjustable pressure regulator for PSI pressures of 400 to 1000 PSI. Available as an option, the E1200 can be outfitted with a circuit indicator, which indicates that the machine is plugged into 2 separate circuits. All this in a rotor mode housing for durability. To start using your machine, make sure to plug in your machine into 2 separate 15-amp circuits to avoid tripping circuit breakers. Next, connect your autofill hose to a water supply. Then connect the other end of the autofill hose to the E1200 autofill connection located on the back of the freshwater tank. Connect the discharge hose to the E1200 and place the other end of the hose into an approved disposal receptacle. An example would be a toilet. Next, turn on the water supply. Once that freshwater tank is full, the freshwater float will stop the flow of water so that the freshwater tank does not overflow. Start by priming the pump before use, making sure that the pressure regulator is turned down to a low PSI pressure setting. Turn counterclockwise. Connect the open-ended brass quick connect that is used for priming to your solution hose. Connect your solution hose to the brass quick connect on the machine. Place the open end of your solution hose to the vac hose port and turn on both vac motors and solution pump switch to the on position. Hold the hose up to the vac port till a steady stream of water starts to come out of the hose. This is an indication that the solution pump is now primed and ready for use. Turn off both solution pump and vac motor switches and remove the hose from the vac port. Disconnect the priming brass fitting from the solution hose. To begin cleaning with the E1200 machine once the pump has been primed, connect the short 4-foot vac hose section to the vac hose port and then connect the other end to the external filter. Connect the vac hose to the other end of the external filter and then connect the open end of the vac hose to the hard surface spinner. Connect the solution hose to the quick connect port. Connect the solution hose to the hard surface spinner. Switch the vac motor buttons to the on position. Switch the pump button to the on position. Switch the toggle pump out switch to the on position. Adjust your pressure to the desired PSI by turning the pressure regulator clockwise right to increase pressure and counterclockwise left to decrease pressure. For hard surface cleaning, adjust the pressure from 700 to 800 psi. You are now ready to clean hard surfaces. Once you have finished cleaning, turn off the pump switch, turn off both vac motor switches, and continue running the discharge pump until the recovery tank is empty or until the discharge pump shuts off. To empty any remaining liquid from the recovery tank, place a pail under the dump valve and simply pull up the lever. Once the recovery tank is empty, take off the vac hose, Twist the recovery lid 90 degrees to left or right and lift up. Pour in clean, fresh water into the recovery tank to rinse it out, making sure to have a pail underneath the dump valve to catch the exiting water. Once the recovery tank is clean, simply close the dump valve. Lastly, put the recovery tank lid back on by placing it 90 degrees to center and twisting back to center. The Esteam E1200 can also be used for carpet cleaning by simply turning the water pressure down to 500 psi and connecting a carpet wand the same as the hard surface tool. The Esteam E1200, the professional hard surface cleaning portable